Welcome to the world of Ford in St. Louis. Are you looking for the best Ford dealership experience? Look no further than Suntrup Ford Kirkwood. Located at 10340 Manchester Road in Kirkwood, Missouri, Suntrup Ford Kirkwood is recognized for a fantastic selection of new and used Ford vehicles. Here, customer experience is their priority, built on transparency, convenience, and relationships. When searching for a Ford dealership, you might wonder about their inventory, fair pricing, and service quality. Suntrup Ford Kirkwood excels in all these areas. They pride themselves on a wide range of new Ford models, including the F-150, Explorer, and Bronco. Additionally, their factory-trained technicians provide quality service using genuine parts. Busy lifestyles are accommodated with Ford Pickup and Amp, delivery and mobile service options, making car maintenance effortless. What sets Suntrup Ford Kirkwood apart? Their Lifetime Powertrain Loyalty Program offers extended benefits beyond the factory warranty, showing their commitment to you. They also offer Ford Blue Advantage certified pre-owned vehicles, ensuring rigorous inspections for added peace of mind. Suntrup Ford Kirkwood serves not just Kirkwood, but also Ballwin, Creve, Coeur, and Webster Groves. Their conveniently located dealership ensures you're never far from top-notch service. Ready to find your next Ford in St. Louis? Stop by Suntrup Ford Kirkwood or visit their website for assistance with new and certified pre-owned vehicles, financing options, and to schedule a service appointment. Don't miss the opportunity to experience the best Ford dealership in St. Louis. Visit Suntrup Ford Kirkwood today.